This is our third video in transformations. In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to cover reflections. All right. I think of reflections, if you looked in the mirror this morning, I think of reflections in that manner. So a reflection is just basically a flip. All right. I'm going to take an image and I'm just going to flip it. All right. So for example, I might have a triangle like so. That's like that, okay? If I were to flip it, what would happen is I would flip it. When I flipped it, it would end up facing the other direction. I apologize. These should be the same size triangles. So I would take it and I would flip it. So the line that I flipped it on is this line right here. When I flip over this horizontal or vertical line, this would be an example of a flip over the y-axis. So this is a flip over the y-axis. So when I go from left to right, and I flip from left to right, or if I go from right to left, that is going to simulate a flip over the y-axis. Okay. If I go the opposite direction, so I have a triangle here, and I end up flipping it down facing the opposite direction, all right, that's going to be a flip over the x-axis, or a horizontal flip. And again, this one's going to go from top to bottom, or some of you might think bottom to top. All right, so that's what a reflection is. It just basically takes it and it flips it. So if I take my hand here and I go like this, that's a reflection over the x-axis. I can reflect it back also. Okay. I also can take a reflection and I can flip down. So I can flip it down so my hand's facing the opposite direction. Or I can flip it back up. Okay. So there's your examples of a reflection or a flip.